So Liam just finished his meeting here in the trailer. Yeah, come on. Liam just finished his meeting here with the folks in the health and safety department, making sure everything's ready to go for his brand new backhoe, because he has not been driving this backhoe before. This is a Case 580 Super M, and Liam just wants to make sure everything is on the up and up before he gets into it, because especially a lot of workers these days have been taking shortcuts. So we need to make sure that everything is okay. So make sure everything works in there, Liam.